Hello my friends, today we're going to be unboxing and making the first test on the Tonor TC-777. This is a USB plug-and-play condenser microphone that Tonor has sent to me to make this video. Now let's start with the unboxing. As soon as you open the box, we have right here the 2-year warranty card. That is something really nice to see, that Tonor includes a 2-year warranty on the product that they send. Now this is the instruction manual. A typical instruction manual is really good written, but we don't need this, isn't it? And here is the microphone itself. Oh, as you can see, everything come out in one piece. I really enjoy that they include, for the price of the microphone itself, a pop filter right here. As you can see, they also include a secondary filter. This one is made of foam, and you see some kinks right here. But this is not a problem, because made out of foam, in a couple of days this is going to restore the form, so I will not worry too much about that. Now the microphone, as you see right here, come everything out in one piece. Include these little feet right here that you can open them, and this way you can place it in your table. Now this is a condenser microphone. What this means is that this is going to capture the sound coming from the front of it, and it's going to reflect or try to mute all the sounds coming from the back, which is perfect, especially if you want to use this microphone for voiceover, live streaming, and anything else that requires only one source of the sound. Really enjoy how the pop filter moves, and for what I see, it's really easy to set it into place and stay there. I really enjoy that they include the fit of the microphone and the pop filter, like I said before. Not every brand, especially for this price, is going to include all of it. Now, the cable, as you probably can see right here, is directly attached into the microphone. I don't enjoy that too much, but as they include a 2-year warranty, I really think that they do their testings, and there have to be a reason why they choose this. The microphone is made out of plastic, the same as the base. The feet, I do believe they are of aluminum, and I really do believe that is the cheapest microphone that you can buy right now for this quality. For this type of microphones, one personal recommendation is always you want to try to set it up really close to the sound source, in this case your mouth, when you want to make the voiceover. So this fit is really going to help you to set it up really close to you, so you can speak directly into it. But guys, if you prefer to set it up into a boom arm, that you know that you can take the fit right here out of it, and this connection right here, it can be attached to any boom arm, so you can set it up closer to you if so you wish for. Something like this, so you can have it even closer to your mouth to make your recordings. Now the Microsoft itself comes with a shock mount, but it's great because every movement that comes in the table is not going to be transferred directly to the microphone itself to avoid noises. And the feet have a small rubber balls underneath them, so it stays on place on the table and it's not going to scratch the surface of it. There is nothing else to do right here into the unboxing. So what we're going to be doing now is connect this bad boy into the PC back there and to test the quality of it. As I said before guys, this is a plug and play device. So you only need to take the cable, plug it into your computer, and it should be automatically recognized by Windows itself. You want to open the volume mixer, and here it is. Input device, microphone Tonor TC-777 audio device. Now let's do some test recordings inside of OBS to see how this microphone sounds like. The first step we're going to do is about the background noise that this microphone is going to take. Here where I record my videos is not sound treated, so this I believe is the most accurate representation of what you are going to have if you are recording videos or live streaming in your room. As you can see, this doesn't pick too much of the noise around it, and trust me, it's noise here. This PC is not completely quiet, and I also have one of my video lights that is really noisy. Now let's check the sound of the microphone itself without any filter, speaking directly to it. Hello, this is the test of the Tonor TC-777. Now let's just add the pop filter. Now this is a sound test of the Tonor 777 with the pop filter installed. Now let's try it out with the other filter that it comes included. This is a sound test of the TC-777 by Tonor. Now for the last test that we're going to be doing of the Tonor TC-777 is adding some filters and equalization that I'm going to be doing in Adobe Premiere Pro, that is the application that I use to edit all my videos. Now this is the sound that you can achieve with a $34 microphone that is plug and play only by applying a little bit of EQ and filters into Premiere Pro. Guys, I do believe that this is the cheapest microphone for this build quality that you can afford, coming at only $34.99. I 100% recommend it if you are thinking about starting streaming, starting making YouTube videos, or even if you need this for home office. It's a really good quality build, and I'm sure you are not going to regret it. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is always more than welcome. Thanks for watching, and like always, see you on the next time. Bye bye!